Anthropic just released an AI tool that the BBC and half the internet is calling too powerful for public release. It's called Claude Mythos. I spent all day testing it, and here's my verdict up front: the danger headlines are mostly wrong, but what Mythos actually does might be a bigger deal than the controversy. Stick around, because one specific capability genuinely surprised me. Quick context. Mythos is Anthropic's newest release, and it dropped today under a cloud. Security researchers at Malwarebytes flagged risk concerns, and Anthropic shipped it anyway. It's not just a chatbot. Mythos is an agentic model designed to run long, multi-step tasks autonomously: research, synthesis, and code execution with fewer check-ins from you. That autonomy is exactly what has people nervous. And it's also exactly what makes it interesting. So what does it actually do? I gave Mythos 3 real jobs from my actual workflow. First, a competitive research brief that normally takes me 2 hours. Mythos ran it end-to-end: sources, synthesis, formatted summary in about 11 minutes, and I only had to correct 2 factual slips. Second, a multi-step automation task, pulling data, cleaning it, and drafting an email report. GPT-4o needed me to babysit it through 6 separate prompts. Mythos did it in 1 instruction. Third, the dangerous part: I tried to push it toward the stuff the headlines warn about. Here's where the narrative falls apart: the guardrails are aggressive. Almost annoyingly aggressive. It refused 3 completely legitimate security research prompts that Claude's standard model handles fine. The risk story is real for edge cases, but for a normal professional? You'll hit the safety walls before you hit anything scary. So who is this actually for? If your work involves long, multi-step knowledge tasks: analysts, consultants, marketers, researchers, developers doing repo-wide refactors, Mythos is genuinely the best agentic tool I've tested this year. Who should skip it? Casual users. If you mostly ask quick questions or draft short emails, this is overkill, and the standard Claude tier is faster for one-shot tasks. And here's where it disappointed me: image handling is mediocre, and those overtuned refusals will frustrate anyone in security, medicine, or law. It's a specialist tool wearing a scary headline. Let's do the actual math, because the value story is stronger than the drama story. My research brief: 2 hours of my time versus 11 minutes of supervision. That's roughly a 90% time reduction on that task class. Across my 6 test tasks, Mythos completed them in 1 prompt, an average of 5 out of 6 times, versus 2 out of 6 for GPT-4o. And here's the kicker: California just announced a statewide partnership giving agencies Anthropic's tools at half price. When a state government bets on a tool the same week headlines call it dangerous, that tells you which narrative the people with real due diligence teams believe. Your one actionable takeaway today: take your single most repetitive multi-step task, the one that eats an hour every week, write it out as 1 detailed instruction, and run it through Mythos or even standard Claude. That 1 prompt is your template forever. That's the real story here, not danger, delegation. Subscribe for daily AI intel. I test this stuff so you don't waste money on hype. And drop a comment: what tool do you want me to cover next?